Hello again and welcome to another adventure. I am here in Nashville, Tennessee, more specifically the historic Ryman Auditorium for the 17th annual ACM Honors taping. Let's see what tonight brings. As you can see, I am in the historic Ryman Auditorium for the ACM Honors tonight. Right there's the stage. It's going to be a good night. I'm going to film as much as I can for you guys, which is not allowed during the show. So hopefully you've enjoyed this short little vlog. Look at this wonderful stained glass windows here at the Ryman Auditorium. Such history. Here is the truck that is the album cover of Post Malone's F1 Trillion album. It's been making its way throughout Nashville since Sunday, and today it's downtown in front of the Bridgestone Arena, where Post Malone presented the ACM Triple Crown Award to Lainey Wilson tonight. I got a picture earlier in the day. I wanted to get some video. Well, this concludes the 17th annual ACM Honors from the historic Ryman Auditorium in Nashville, Tennessee. From Lainey Wilson, Post Malone, to Alan Jackson bringing down the house to close the night. What an experience here. You have to be here to experience something like this live. Until the next adventure, I'll see you soon. Let's go to Broadway and party it up. I have a 9 o'clock flight on the way home. Everyone knows I don't drink. Let's see what excitement we can have. All right, until next time. See you soon.